I started this company with an idea and a dream. I sell, I market, I hire, and I fix the problem. If something breaks, I fix it. If a customer complains, I answer it personally. The business is my baby. I'll handle it. I'll always do.
Go.
Why is growth making things harder?
No, stop doing everything. You design system instead.
So what are you saying? That I stop caring?
No, stop doing everything. You design system instead. Exactly. Growth KPIs, workflows, accountability.
But what if things slow down?
Here's the plan. We go.
So instead of asking what should I do today, I ask what the business become. No longer the bottleneck. I am the architect.
And I make sure I run the plan clean. Business does not fail because of lack of passion. It fails when passion is not supported by planning system and operators.